I gotta get pumped up to drive the new F430 Ferrari. Look at this baby. Brand new, $250,000 Ferrari F430, 500 horsepower. Let's take it, start this up. We're gonna take it for a spin in a minute. You ready for this? Let's hear the engine. That sounds sexy, man. Woo! The engine is right behind me. As you guys can see, this massive engine right here, 500 horsepower. This is beauty. Nice. And this is how we do it. Ciao.
Johnny Wolf.
Hey, it's my first time ever driving a Ferrari. I'm really fucking excited. Thank you, John, for hooking it up.
Awesome.
You see this?
F430.
F430. Black on black, sexy as fuck. Let's see how it sounds.
All right, let's do it.
Oh, it just fucking came in my pants.
So we go through that tunnel, all right? Sound effect is awesome. That flywheel's fast. I just dropped down like an anchor.
Woo! Oh my god.
Ridiculous speed. You got close to 500 horsepower.
Oh my god, 500 horsepower.
It's like
control.
I think this was 484, 483, something like that.
This is fucking sexy. I don't know if you can see me, but this is fucking sexy.
Yeah, you can see it right there. You know, I feel sorry for the bums that sleep in this bridge, so I really don't gun it after 11 p.m. But before that, no problem.
Yeah, that's our contribution to society. We do not gun the Ferrari F430 in the tunnels after 11 p.m. And you know, that's basically, you know, it makes the bums feel really good about themselves.
We have a social conscience.
Yeah, we do, definitely. Oh, here we go.
In the tunnel.
Oh my god. Oh.
We'll make it right here. There's another tunnel. Nice. But you can't go as fast in that one. It's a single lane tunnel. It's ridiculous, huh?
It's fucking ridiculous. Everybody needs to go out and buy a Ferrari. This is my, I'm gonna promote it.
Yeah, this is awesome. Make a right at 3rd Street. See at 3rd Street? 3rd Street tunnel.
We're here in Los Angeles. Random Sunday night. This car's actually pretty easy to drive too.
It is, it is. The F1's even easier to drive. The shifters takes a little get
I would never drive an F1 or Tiptronic or, I mean, I know F1's amazing, but there's nothing like a manual gearbox.
I think that's the fastest. Watch out for this guy. Yeah. That's the fastest I've ever seen. I've ever gone through that tunnel, actually.
Really?
Yeah.
I made a new record.
The best is the sound part.
Oh yeah, this sounds amazing. Right behind us. How many cylinders do we have?
8. That's insane, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna make a right on the street here at Big.
Okay. Flower or?
Oh no, sorry, go straight. Go to Figueroa. You can take the freeway back too if you want.
Sure.